So how to brainstorm unique business ideas. There's a lot of research to support going for a walk, and it seems to increase your creativity. So while you're on your walk, think about problems in the world or problems around you that need to be solved, and how can you solve them. Also, Einstein used to have a nap, and I think he would have a question in his mind before he went to sleep. And often when he woke up, he would have the answer. So try some of these things to brainstorm some new ideas. You can also use mind maps to expand on ideas, to find the connections. If you don't know what mind maps are, please look them up. Please check them out, study them, learn what they are. There are many books on mind maps. Talk to your creative friends. Some of my friends have lots of ideas. They're great at ideas. I like to think I'm good at ideas too. So if you aren't, tap into your research partners, your friends, get them to help you out. Salespeople often talk about pain points, that you're not really doing sales. You're trying to solve the pain points for people. Humans tend to react to pain. They want to avoid pain. That's a very strong motivator. So what are the pain points that you can help solve? Maybe that's a very good way of thinking about all this. What are some innovative ways that you can think about solving problems? Something that no one's thought about before. What can you do? What are some strategies for finding lucrative business ideas? Reach out to industry professionals and try to find out what their pain points are. And then maybe you can start thinking about how to solve them. These same industry professionals can lead you to upcoming trends as well. They can tell you what's happening in their industry. As you're going about your day, pay attention to problems that arise, wherever you are. Keep your eyes open. Keep your ears open. Listen to people. Eavesdrop. Spy. So once you come up with an idea, try to test it out. Is there a way that you can test it out without committing major money to it? I think, as I've mentioned in other videos, when I started my guest houses, I basically fixed up one room and the bathroom downstairs, and I gave discounts, and I gave coupons to a local hot springs, and I opened up the one room and put it on Airbnb. And I basically filled up all of May. I thought, okay, well, I gave a discounted price, but there's definitely a market there, so potentially I could make, a lot of money with this. When I started my chain of English schools, I started with me at a table at my girlfriend's apartment, just teaching 4 people who were begging for English lessons and paying me good money to teach them. So again, I thought, well, there's potential here. They're willing to sit at a table on a couple of cushions and learn English with me. If I set up a proper school with, a whiteboard and a table, maybe I can teach a lot of students. If I'm willing to expand and teach children, which I didn't really want to do, frankly, maybe I can do more. So that school grew to 125 students within 10 months. So is there something you can do to test things out before you jump in?